Welcome to this comparison video between Mobox and WINLATOR. So some people has been speculating, these guys, about what is the most optimized emulator between Mobox and WINLATOR. So in this video I'm going to show you some things. By yourself you are going to see which one is the best. Is it WINLATOR or is it Mobox? So to my opinion, in my own personal opinion, I prefer WINLATOR, guys. There are 3 reasons that makes me to say that WINLATOR is better than Mobox. Firstly, you have to download, very easy to download. There is no this point of when you download or you want to install Mobox. Firstly, you have to copy the command from GitHub page, then you have to wait for network, and again you have to, in fact there are so many things you'll be doing. So in some ways when you are installing it you encounter issues, so you not even feel, you will not be okay with it. And again the second point is using of a native controller. Guys, this has been a major issue we have been having with Mobox. You download input bridge. After you download input bridge, you still have to download, you still have to copy, you have to go about a lot of things, and if care is not taken you just be making mistake, guys. So the third one is the way it runs games. It is in fact, to my own opinion, it is very easy and it runs games more faster than Mobox. So look at the FPS up above on my 8th Gen 2 device. You will see that Mobox WINLATOR is doing great. And again, so to sometimes you can be playing and Mobox will just get closed, it will stuck, you just stuck there. But in Mobox, using your mobile controller your native controller, you can do some tricks, you can enter some cheats with your games. So any games, install any game on it, it will play, and it will see that thing as a maybe virtual machine, and it is very easy to work with. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and follow more amazing upload. I just bring this to you guys so that you people will just see, and if there is anything you want me to know in the comment section, feel free to tell me in the comment section. And if you have not joined my Telegram page, guys, please join my Telegram page so that whenever there is any news you'll be the first person to see. So guys, this is your boy again, East Transform. Welcome to my video.
You are really irritating.
What the shit do you think you're doing?
I'm gonna knock your teeth out.
What's your problem?
I'm gonna knock the
Shit.
sense into you.
Stupid dick.
Oh.
this car! Hey, stop!
Yeah, what's good, Tyrone? What's cracking, bro?
That's freaking crazy. Just call me when you're ready.
Yo, that's crazy! Jeez!
I'm sorry about that. Yeah, the boss is not. Dude, you crashed into my car. What you got there?
Hey, we swamped that Manny Petty. Holy shit!
Vete a la chingada!
Bullshit! I'm gonna mess you up.
Citizens report a pedestrian struck by a vehicle on Tolbert Drive in Rockfordville.
You're such a fucking dictator! Why the... Fuck not! He is not staying the night! He's a bum!
We're